Good morning, Lincoln staff and students, and happy Wednesday. Today is April 29th, 2020, and I just want to remind you that this Friday we do have a virtual assembly. We will be recognizing students who have been showing their personal best during distance learning. I don't know how many of you guys know about our after-school program. It's called the HEART program, and the director is Mrs. Berber. She is missing you all so very much. So she has a message for you. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Hi guys, Ms. Berber here, and I have a message for you.
Sunshine in my pocket, got that